dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. So as you guys can see, we're going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my Valentine's Day pink cloud gloss. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this, keep on watching. So first we want to start off with a sterile and clean area. I wipe my area down and then I put some paper towels on the countertop, and then I put all of my ingredients, I put all of my tools that I'm going to be using to create the glosses, and then the tubes and the small caps that go with the tubes as well. So now I'm going to be adding 2 oils that I use to make my clear glosses with, so that when I put them in the tubes it remains clear. This is coconut oil right here, so I'm adding just a bit of this, and then I'm also going to add some grapeseed oil because they both are very nourishing and moisturizing to your skin, well, to your lips actually. So I'm just mixing it up right now until I get the consistency that I like with my gloss. So now that I got the consistency that I want, I'm going to be adding some flavoring oil into the Vday mix. So this flavor oil that I'm using is Marshmallow Fluff by Get Suckered, and it smells so good, y'all. Like, it smells delicious. Like, I just want to eat it. So now I'm just mixing it up again just to make sure all of the flavoring oil is evenly distributed inside of the Vday. So it is now time for the fun parts. We're about to add these pink clouds inside of the gloss. They're so cute, y'all, like literally to die for. So I'm just gonna start by adding just a few of them in there just to get a feel of how they look, so I can, see if I want to add some more or if that's enough. So when I was finally satisfied with the amount of pink clouds I had in the gloss, I took my syringe that I used with my pipette attached with some tape, and I started pouring the gloss inside of the syringe. And just a side tip, you guys, make sure you open up your tubes or unscrew the tops from them, so that when it's time for you to start piping your gloss inside of the tube, you won't have to do what I'm doing right now.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems when you press me to your our world where roses grow. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems when you press me to your our world where roses grow. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems
Okay, so now that I've finished putting all of the gloss in the tubes and I'm done making the gloss and things like that, I'm gonna switch my gloves because it did get a little messy, and it tends to get a little messy when making gloss. So if you do start to make some kind of a mess or gloss is getting in a lot of places, it's okay. Don't be worried, don't be stressed. It happens to all of us, you guys. So now it's time to start the process of putting the caps inside of each tube so that when the wand comes out, all of the lip gloss doesn't pour out. So I'm starting that process now, which is why I moved all of the gloss tubes closer to me, and I have the alcohol right there as well, so that once I put everything together, I'm gonna be sanitizing everything down just to make sure everything, is very clean and very sterilized, so that when it gets to the customers, it's just in great condition.
when you press me to your our world where roses grow. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems
So this is the ending product, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and you love this gloss. This is probably one of my favorite products from my Valentine's Day collection, which is out now, so make sure y'all go check it out. All of the information will be in the description box, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to do more videos like this showing you how to actually make products and things like that, let me know down below as well. Follow me on Instagram, find my business on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Love y'all. Peace.